you have a photo that you really like and you need to use it as a headshot, but it's not professional enough, Canva has your back. They have this magic edit button that you literally can highlight your shirt. In my case, I had this cute little romper, but it was too beachy. But I loved my head and my hair in this photo, and I haven't updated my headshot since like 2016. So I figured, let me try to generate a new shirt for myself. So all you have to do is describe what you want to generate, and it'll replace whatever that is with your description. So I put professional shirt, highlighted my shoulders, everything included, and voila, it will come up with a nice professional outfit for you. Now, that was the first iteration. I don't like that weird logo that it gave me. But this one is the one I went with, and it's crazy. Like, I wouldn't wear this in real life, but it works.